of all, I offer my respectful obeisances at the feet of three mighty or divine powers of this assembly hall. And after that, I would like to salute all the dignitaries who are sitting here. And after that, I dedicate my courtesy, humble courtesy, to all the teachers and all the students who are here. Where I think that what is the role of Swami Vivekananda for the upliftment of this country, then I get many visions. These are the aspects of his life. First, Swami Vivekananda was a great scholar. Means, it may be also said that scholarship lived in his character. His character is, his personality is an abode of scholarship. And after that, he was a great social reformer, because at that time, when he was on this earth, there were many dead habits, criminal habits, which were being followed by our ancestors or forefathers. These dead habits were exploiting our society. They were casteism. Really, it was a blot on the face of the humanity of India. It was scars that was making the face of Bharat Mata ugly. And second was untouchability. That was also the curse of Indian society. And after that, when I consider about his social reform, we get that in his great meetings, he would say, or he would announce publicly that all those people who wanted at that time, who wanted to be a nationalist, they must have served Indian society, or they must have removed or eradicate all those dead habits which were exploiting India or Indian society. When I consider about his spiritual vision, we get that he was a true follower of Advaitwad. And this Advaitwad comes from Vedanta. Gist of Vedas. Vedanta means gist of Vedas. Basic principles of Vedas. And I think from Maha Upanishad, a hymn has come, and that is very popular and respected among all of us. That is Ayam Nija Parvet Garna Lagu Chetasam Udar Charitanam Duta. Udar Charitanam Du was Bhayu Kutumka. Really, he was follower of this hymn, or principal of this hymn. Perhaps when he went to the religious conference in Chicago, he followed this thing. Means all the creatures who are living on this earth, they are the members of the same family. They are our brothers, or they are our members of the family. We are all equal. That is why he addressed to all the American people, all the American people, all the religious persons who had come there to take part into that conference, brothers and sisters of America. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Really, he was a great social reformer. And he was also educationist. Being educationist, he has suggested a great policy of education. He always announced among the scholars of India that one subject must be compulsory to be taught to all the students of India. And that must be spiritual knowledge. While in the lake of spiritual knowledge, it is not sure that all the students, means all the generations or coming generations, would be moral. And morality is the gist and introduction of Indian society or Indian culture. Although in my institution in which we are teaching, we give many ideal ceremonies to all the students. This is a very singular thing, a specific thing. We are doing the job. At last, I prostrate before that personality of Swami Vivekananda. Thank you very much.